Hello, so the next question is, a thin diamagnetic rod is placed vertically between the poles of an electromagnet. When the current in the electromagnet is switched on, then the diamagnetic rod is pushed up out of the horizontal magnetic field. Hence, the rod gains gravitational potential energy. The work required to do this comes from the current source, the induced electric field due to the change in magnetic field, the lattice structure of the material of the rod, or the magnetic field. So the correct answer is the current source. Why? Because when the electromagnet is connected to the battery EMF source, the magnetic field is produced which pushes the rod upwards, and so the gravitational potential energy is stored. This stored energy will require work which will come from current source or battery which is connected to the electromagnetic, right? So the correct answer is the current source. Thank you.